This is a brief video describing how to use Banka's website and the resources that I have available to you for your students and for you. To begin, you need to open up your internet browser and go to gms.goddardusd.com. Once the page loads, you need to access the faculty and staff menu, which is located right here. And to access your math, science, social studies, and English teachers, you need to go to academic team teachers. All other teachers are under elective teachers. Find your teacher's name. So for me, it'll be Banka. Now the nice thing about this website is that all teachers are required to post their lesson plans on a weekly basis. So you can check on their lesson plans link on the left-hand side to make sure that they have an accurate representation of what's going on in their class that week. That way you're always in the know. This is my page, and on the home page there will be information about how to use this site. This is the calculator I recommend using. I will include the video that I'm recording right now on the middle below this video showing how to use this website link. And then there are 2 more videos along with the username and password about how to access our book website. We have an online textbook. It's really, really nice. If your student is in Math 7 and they have a blue textbook, you need to watch the first video. If your student is in Math Plus and they have a green textbook, they need to watch the second video. The other links on the left-hand side take you to a short biography about me and my beliefs in education. Then there's a schedule to let you know when I have planned time, when I have team time, and what hours I teach various classes. But the 3 main courses, or the 3 main links I want to show you are the lesson plans page, the My Big Campus page, and the Math 7 documents. On the lesson plans page, I have each post for each week. If you scroll down, you'll see separate weeks for all of the weeks past from the beginning of the year till now. So if your student has a missing assignment, you can use this page to scroll down and find what assignment they're missing and have them complete it. If it's past the chapter test, I will not accept it for credit, but if it's before the test, I will accept it for late credit. Okay. On the left-hand side of this column, I have Math 7 homework, and on the right-hand side, I have Math Plus homework. On the Math 7 side, our homework is different. We're watching videos for homework and doing the practice work together in class so I can catch their errors and reteach as necessary on the spot. Their homework for the videos is all accessible on My Big Campus. Students know how to access My Big Campus on mybigcampus.com. It's their username and password to log into the computer. But sometimes there's some technology errors. You know, technology is our friend, but sometimes it just doesn't want to work for us. As a result, I've added some different ways to access the videos. On my lesson plans page, I've hyperlinked the YouTube videos so your student can pull up the link that goes directly to YouTube and has them watch it. Underneath, I have a link to the PDF of the Chapter 6 notes. They need to watch the video and take notes on their notes packet. If they don't have their notes, you can print them off from this link, or you can have them write them on notebook paper. Then the following day, see how we watch on Tuesday, we're going to watch 6.1 and 6.2 video and take notes. Then in class, we're going to practice those concepts to make sure that they understand it. I'm going to catch any errors and reteach right then and there. Their next homework is to watch the 6.4 video. Then on Thursday, we'll practice it in class, and so on and so forth. You have all the links here for you, but My Big Campus is preferable. I've set up a discussion thread so that way they can ask any questions and other students can answer those questions, or I can answer those questions as well. My Big Campus is an awesome resource for us, but these are just some other options. Again, on the left-hand side, now that we've talked about lesson plans, let's go to the My Big Campus Math 7 resources. Here, I've embedded a widget that allows students to access the bundle of percents. So when you click on percents, that will give them access to the videos, documents, and everything that they need to use to access the content we will cover in Chapter 6. So you'll notice the first document that's listed is their notes. They can print them off from there. Then I've embedded the video, and the nice thing about this is that it eliminates all the outside ads from YouTube. And then below it is the 6.1 Review for Mastery. This is the worksheet that we'll work on in class. So if your student is absent, they can go here and print it off and work on it and catch up at home. Or if they want to work ahead or look to see what we'll cover in class, it's right there for you. And then we have 6.2 video and its worksheet below, and so on and so forth. It's a really nice resource for them, and they'll have access to it up until the test. Again, you do not have to have a My Big Campus account to access that embed from my website. It's a nice little feature that the bundles provide. And a third resource for you is the Math 7 documents over on the left-hand side. This has all of the documents, or the majority of the documents, I should say, that I've handed out throughout the year and will hand out. And it includes my chapter notes key. So the version that I use to create the videos for Math 7, it's on there too. If you do not have internet access, I have DVDs available. I also have a computer in my classroom that is available for students to load my videos, documents, and homework assignments to a thumb drive to take home. I hope you found this little video tutorial helpful, but as always, this is a resource for you and for your students. It's meant to bridge that communication gap between us. So if there's anything that you see that would be beneficial to be added to, please don't hesitate to email me at cbanka@goddardusd.com. There's a link down here, and I will see if I can add that to my website. Hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks for tuning in.